Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a cool intro in CapCut. So to do a cool intro in CapCut, open CapCut. So first and foremost, you need to first import the intro you're going to do. So to get the intro for CapCut, come and tap on new project. Then come to stock videos. So when you come to stock videos, you come and select from intro and end. Okay. So you select your intro. So let's assume I'm having a YouTube channel, okay, and I want people to subscribe to my YouTube channel. As an introduction, I'll come and choose this template here. Okay, so after choosing it, I'll tap on add. Okay, so after adding it, I can decide to play it a bit. Alright, so as you can see, that's just an intro template that is in CapCut. Okay, so that's how to add a cool intro in your CapCut using any template in CapCut. So after adding this intro, you can come and tap on this, then you delete this as the ending, then you come on add heading. Okay, you tap on that plus icon. So when you tap on that plus icon, you can basically now add the video you want to edit. Okay, so if I play this as my intro, okay, then the video will come next just like that. Okay, so in your intro you can come and put some effects if you want. You can even put some speed if you want. If you want it to be at a fast rate, you can increase it like that, then you tick. Okay, so if you play it, it will be too fast just like that, then your video will come next. Okay, so that's how to add a cool intro in CapCut. Thank you for watching.